more coffee. Oh, shoot. He's trying to make me look dumb. My lids are primed and set with the Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I got the new Jaclyn Hill x Morphe Ring the Alarm palette, and I wanted to do a few tutorials with these palettes. This is the red palette of the Vault collection. I really like reds and oranges and browns and mauves and maroons on my eyes with my eye color, and so I thought this would be a beautiful palette on me. So this is what the look I came up with today, and if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. First, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is the shade Fair Neutral. I'm gonna do a lot. Don't ask me why, but I'm gonna do a lot. I'm gonna hide all those veins and that discoloration we have on my eyes. Okay, so my lids are primed and set. I set my lids with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to take this Morphe M441 brush and go into the shade called Rush right here. And I'm going to put that all over my crease. I'm going to take this Luxie 249 brush, the fluffy end, and I'm going to dip into this shade called Alert. And I'm going to focus that in the crease and really deepen up that crease. I'm going to take this Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. I'm going to put the shade Framed on my whole entire lid as a base for what's to come. I'm going to take that same Morphe M441 brush and go back into the shade called Rush, and I'm just going to blend out that crease. We don't really need to worry about this edge here because I'm gonna wipe it away later with a makeup wipe. I'm gonna go back into that shade called Framed with the same Luxie 239 brush, and I'm just going to intensify that lid. All right, I'm gonna take that shade called Boom, this really pretty sparkly shade, and I'm just gonna take it with my finger and put it all over my lid. Wow, that is beautiful. Wow, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Do you see that? This is like the most beautiful coppery, it's not even glittery. It looks glittery in the pan. It's not glittery. It's like this crazy foiled eyeshadow. That is really beautiful. Wow, I love the look that it gave my eyes. It just like, it really deepened up that eye look. All right, I'm gonna do a little experiment here, and I'm gonna take the shade On Camera, this yellow foiled shade right here. I'm gonna take that on my pinky finger, and I'm just gonna put it on the very middle of my eyelid. That is really beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna take this really tiny shader brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Secret right here, and I'm going to deepen up my outer corners with that. I definitely got some fallout from these shadows, so make sure you do your eyes before your face. I'm going to take a makeup wipe and just clean up that fallout. Alright, I'm going to go do the rest of my face makeup and I will be right back to show you what I'm going to do on the bottom lash line. Alright, so I just finished my whole face of makeup. Now we're going to go back into that Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette and finish our bottom lash line. I'm going to take this crown brush called Pointed Crease, something Pointed Crease, and I'm going to go into that same shade called Rush that we used for our transition shade, and I'm going to smoke that out on the bottom lash line. I'm also going to connect that with our crease shade. I'm going to take this more stiff brush and I'm going to go into the shade called Alert, and I'm going to smoke that on the bottom lash line. Since the bristles are stiffer, it's going to give me more of an intense smoked out look. I'm going to take the Vintage Cosmetic Company smudger brush and go into the shade Framed and smudge that on my lower lash line. Very close to the lash line. Alright, I'm going to take this little shader brush and go into the shade Secret and put that in my outer crease on the lower lash line. Just focusing that on the outer crease. Alright, I'm going to go put on some mascara and zoom you out so you can see the finished look. Ow. Right in the eye. Alright, so this is the finished look. There's not really a highlight shade in this palette, so I just took some of Becca's Champagne Pop that Jaclyn Hill also created with Becca, and I just put that on the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone. You can really just highlight with whatever highlighter you like, but I really think that a highlight is good, and Becca's Champagne Pop is kind of has like a golden look to it, I'd say. I don't know. I thought it went really well with this eye look, so I put that on my inner corners and my brow bone. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more beauty and lifestyle videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you soon. Bye! And I think it looked really well. I think it went... just gonna cut, start over. What is this look anyways? This is a glam... yeah. Hey guys, welcome. Alright, I'm done. Freaking post millions and millions of times. Why? Can you hear me? I'm done. Thank you, bye-bye.